1040 update, just arrived at the shop. What's up? Looks like there's not much work. AJ currently has his car up, well, not up on the lift, but in there. So I'm assuming there's no work, and when that happens, I just chill. So when I chill, I don't really do anything. But maybe some nice cars might be around. So we'll see what happens. I'll keep you guys updated. So let's go in and see what happens. It's happening, guys. We're getting the test pipes installed today. Hopefully. Alright. So the car is going into the shop, and hopefully in maybe an hour or two, we about to have a louder car. Alright, so we're gonna do a before and after real quick. Not too bad, not too bad. That thing is a monster. Alright, so like I was saying, my car is pretty much bone stock except for the AEM tips, but everything else on it is stock. I have stock wheels, stock interior. So today we're gonna go ahead and get some test pipes installed. Hopefully we spit a little, some flames, you know, just a little bit. I hope. That's what I'm hoping for. Well, it's gonna make the car a lot louder, but we're hoping for flames too. So everything is pretty much stock on my car, except for the AEM tips that go right here, which are these right here. But everything else is stock. We're about to remove the cats and put in the test pipes. Alright, so these are the new test pipes that I'm going to be, well, not personally installing, but that I'm going to be installing. And they go just right here where these ugly things are. That's where they go. So we're going to be swapping those for these. These are uncatted straight pipe. So hopefully we're going to make this car loud. Like I said, they were pretty rusted on there, so it's gonna take a while to get all of them off and stuff. I know what you might be thinking, like, wow, look at this kid. He doesn't even know how to do these things to his own car. Well, I attempted, alright? And I just didn't have the right tools. So I had to bring it to a professional. But let's get back to business. We seem to be running into a small problem. There's a bolt right there that just doesn't want to come off. I think I might be able to see it better from over here. Never mind, I can't even see it. So still haven't been able to get it off. It's been about maybe half an hour. We're gonna try to approach it from a different angle and see how that goes, but it's not looking good, guys. Maybe there's a reason why I'm not supposed to change it or something. But no, I'm just playing. We're about to take a different approach at it and see how that goes. For now, I'm not sure if we're taking all of the air intake off or just part. Well, we're gonna take that off now. So let's get to it. Shouldn't be too hard. Man, I'm so tired. So much work, man. Who has such a hard job like me? But everything is finally off, so let's see. Maybe in like another half hour we'll be done and we can start her up and see if we notice any difference. So here we have the old test pipes. Man, these things are heavy. we don't need that. Let me see if I can. Well, I almost hit my head on this. But like I was saying, this, no bueno. That, very bueno. We got all the new hardware over here. Came with everything that you need. All the gaskets, bolts, everything. Except instructions. Didn't come with instructions, so if I would have had to do this, I would have been so lost. I mean, I'm still lost, but oh wow. It's already going in. None of the equipment that came with the test pipes fit, so we had to go get some new ones. So let's go do that. One is out. Here comes two. I didn't have the camera on when one came out. Oh man, that's bad. That's too much restrictions. New test pipes installed. So after about like maybe 2 hours, we finally did it. Well, Freddie finally did it. Shout out to Freddie. We went to get food, so I missed out on the installation. So we're pretty much all done with the install. Now all we have to do is turn it on and see how she sounds. Hopefully it's a lot louder. And yeah, so let's get to it. Definitely a lot louder. My thumbs up. Man, that sounds really good. Can't wait to drive it out on the streets and see how it really sounds.